Before I go into the next cybersecurity demonstration, I'd like to again familiarize all of you with the QuickSAT VMS interface of the LinkStar radio system, which is used on our CubeSat and ground station. On the left or on the right here, you have the telemetry data view on the CubeSat itself. Again, for this demonstration, we have a USB connection to the CubeSat and can talk directly to the CubeSat. This would not be typical, obviously, when the CubeSat's in orbit, but you would definitely use this when you're testing your CubeSat and testing out your software. On the left here is the ground station view of the QuickSat vehicle management system used by the LinkStar radio. So the satellite communicates to the Globalstar network, from the satellite to the Globalstar network, to the ground stations of the Globalstar network, to our cloud services, to our server, where you can then view the data through your laptop, your mobile device, your desktop computer, through a web interface. In this case, on the left-hand side, this is the ground station view of the satellite. And as you can see, the data is matching as we'd expect. So you can evaluate your data, and again, we can zoom in on a piece of data, and we can reset that zoom. And as you can see, the data certainly does match between the CubeSat and the ground station. Now, let's see what happens when there's a cyber attack and someone goes into the servers and it actually changes the data.